welcome to the How to Be a Minimalist YouTube channel. I'm Katie and I like to share food recipes and minimalist inspiration, anything that will help you and me to live a better and more fulfilling life. I always end my videos with remember it's all about the experiences, not the stuff, and that is basically what this channel is all about. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It so supports and helps this channel to grow and build and allows me to make more videos. Tonight I'm making dinner and I wanted to bring you along. I have a nice orzo pasta that I'm going to be making. So let me show you what we're making for dinner. So I have this Trader Joe's Italian orzo pasta. We'll be using about 2 cups of this. So my friend gave me this yellow squash. She grew it in her garden and the color is just gorgeous. Like, that's the color that it is. It's amazing. So I'm going to throw that in there. I also have, well, let me show you. I hope you liked this video. Remember, it's all about the experiences, not the stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.